So these are the newest, most OP codes in Blox Fruits. Now, before we start, I'm going to show you how to redeem the codes. It's just by going to tap that blue present button, which is right next to the home. So here you go. Type your code in and then you will receive your rewards. I'm just going to show you a list of the codes because there are a lot, I'm telling you. There you go. As you can see, like I said, there are a lot. Starting off with kit underscore reset. This gives us a stat reset. So if you ever want to, reset your stats, like for example, you put a bit too much on the strength or you want to change it, of course, this is how you do it. Unless you can do it with your own Robux. Next, we have sub to Captain Maui, 20 minutes of 2 times experience. Dev's Cooking gives you the same. Kit Gaming, also the same. Sub to Fur999, 2 times experience. NU underscore is underscore pro, 2 times experience. Magic Bus, 2 times experience. JCWK, 2 times experience. Star Code Heyo or HEO gives you also 2 times experience. Bluxy with a U, 20 minutes of 2 times experience. FUD10 underscore V2 gives you Belly. Sub to Game Robot underscore EXP1, 30 minutes of 2 times experience. Sub to Noobmaster123, 15 minutes of 2 times experience. Sub to Uncle Kizaru, a stat refund. So if you want to get a refund on your statistics or your stat points, this is how you do it. Sub to Daig Rock gives you 15 minutes. Axior gives you 20 minutes. Tantai Gaming, 15 minutes. Straw Hat Main, 15 minutes as well. Sub to Official Newbie gives you 20 minutes of 2 times experience. FUD Double D and 10 gives you $1. Big News gives you an in-game title, which is actually quite interesting. And the Great Ace gives you 20 minutes of 2 times experience. So if you use all of these 2 times experiences all together, you can get hours of experience points. So that's about it for this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.